Most men over 60 chalk up low energy, reduced performance, or mental fog as just aging. But what if I told you the problem might not be age? It might be missing nutrients. Today we're diving into 5 essential vitamins that men over 60 often lack, and how restoring them can reignite your energy, strengthen your body, and even support testosterone and circulation naturally. I'm John, a men's health specialist with over 3 decades of experience helping men stay strong, sharp, and vibrant well into their 60s, 70s, and beyond. And the truth is this: you're not slowing down because of your age. You're slowing down because your body is running low on key ingredients that keep you going. So stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to add to your daily routine to reclaim your energy, confidence, and drive without prescriptions, extreme workouts, or risky treatments. Why vitamins matter more after 60. As we age, our digestive system changes, nutrient absorption drops, and inflammation slowly creeps in. What you ate in your 30s or 40s just doesn't give you the same results anymore. That's because our bodies don't process vitamins as efficiently as they once did. On top of that, medications, stress, and a slowing metabolism can deplete certain vitamins even faster. And when the body runs low on specific nutrients, especially the ones we'll talk about today, the effects show up in the worst places: low testosterone, fatigue, weak muscles, poor blood flow, mood swings, aches, brain fog. But the good news is this: with the right supplementation, just a few smart adjustments to your diet and routine, you can revive your energy levels, improve blood flow, and support your overall vitality. Let's dive into the top 5 vitamins every man over 60 should take serious. Number 1. Vitamin D. The foundation of hormone health. Vitamin D isn't just about bones and sunlight, it's a hormone-building powerhouse. After 60, testosterone levels naturally decline, but vitamin D plays a key role in maintaining healthy levels. Low vitamin D is linked to poor sexual performance, decreased muscle strength, depression, fat gain, weak immunity. And here's the kicker: up to 80% of older adults are deficient, especially those who stay indoors or live in northern areas. Even if you get sunlight, your skin's ability to synthesize vitamin D decreases with age, so relying on sunlight alone just isn't enough anymore. What to do? Aim for 2,000–4,000 IU daily, with meals that contain healthy fat. Bonus, combine it with vitamin K2 for better absorption and arterial health. With consistent use, many men notice improved mood, better sleep, stronger libido, reduced joint pain. Vitamin B12 is essential for red blood cell production, brain function. Older adults often don't absorb B12 well from food due to lower stomach acid. That means even if you eat meat or eggs, you could still be deficient. Signs of low B12: constant fatigue, numbness or tingling in hands or feet, confusion or forgetfulness, dizziness. What to do? You can also get it through B-complex vitamins for full-spectrum support. B12 restores mental clarity, stamina, and vascular health. It's a must-have in every older man's stack. Number 3. Vitamin K2, artery protector and bone strengthener. Vitamin K2 isn't talked about enough, but it could be a silent game-changer, especially when it comes to heart health and blood flow. As we age, calcium starts depositing in arteries instead of bone. That leads to stiff arteries, poor circulation, and increases the risk of heart issues. Plus, it limits blood flow to crucial areas. K2's job: it tells calcium where to go into bones, not into arteries. That keeps your circulatory system flexible and efficient. Benefits of K2. Dosage: 100–200 mg per day. Ideally taken with vitamin D. Men who combine K2 with D3 and magnesium often report, and yet, nearly 70% of men over 60 don't get enough. Why it matters: it regulates testosterone, calms the nervous system, boosts sleep quality, supports muscle function, improves blood vessel dilation. Magnesium is essential for physical and mental performance, yet stress, sugar, caffeine, and age all drain it from your systems. Signs of deficiency: muscle cramps, trouble sleeping, anxiety, heart palpitations, low libido. Best forms of magnesium, ideally split into 2 doses. When men start supplementing with magnesium consistently, the results are profound: deeper sleep, more balanced mood, improved blood flow, better stamina. Number 5. Vitamin C, circulation and cellular repair. Vitamin C does a lot more than support immunity. For men over 60, it's crucial for vascular health, testosterone production and cellular repair. It helps build collagen, strengthen blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and even support adrenal health, all of which are key to performance and longevity. Vitamin C also protects sperm quality, boosts nitric oxide, which widens blood vessels, and lowers oxidative stress, the hidden enemy of aging. How to get it? Eat foods like bell peppers, kiwi, citrus and berries. But since absorption varies, a supplement of 500-1000 mg ensures you're covered. For best results, split into 2 doses, morning and evening. Bonus: vitamin C enhances iron absorption and works synergistically with other vitamins like E and zinc. Final tips: let's quickly recap the 5 essential vitamins men over 60 need. Vitamin D3, for testosterone, bones and mood. Vitamin B12, for energy, brain and blood. Vitamin K2 for circulation, arteries and bones. Magnesium for sleep, muscle and hormone balance. Vitamin C, for blood vessels, immunity and recovery. These aren't just supplements, they're tools for staying vibrant, masculine and energized as you age. Always check with your doctor before starting a new supplement routine, especially if you're on medication. If this video helped you, hit the like button so we can reach more men over 60 looking to feel their best. Subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss another health tip that's made just for you. And let me know in the comments, which vitamin are you adding to your daily routine starting today? Drop a 7 in the comments if you're ready to take control of your energy and vitality. Stay strong, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next one.